everybody, welcome back to our channel kaviwebdesigns, and today I'm going to tell you all about my commands reboot, and many more. So the first command in this video is the reboot command. The reboot command restarts the system in Linux. So here in my example here, I have written the command reboot and I have pressed enter. So what this will do is it will restart the system all over again. So now, knowing this, let's go to our UTM to test this all. So here is my Kali Linux here. And now I'm going to type the command reboot. Now when I press the command reboot here a broadcast system message will show up saying the system is now rebooting. Now I'm going to press Kali GUNU/Linux. So here Kali Linux is now here successfully here, and now I have to type the username, which is Kali, and the password, which is also Kali. Now when I press return here, so here I'm at my terminal here. Now knowing this, let's go to our next command, which is let's go to our PowerPoint presentation to learn about our next command. Our next command in this video is the Poweroff Command. The Poweroff Command halts the system, then powers it off. So here in my example here, I have written the Poweroff Command. So what this will do is it will halt the system and then power it off. So now knowing this, let's go to our UTM to test this. So back at our UTM here I'm going to type the command Poweroff. Now when I press return here Kali Linux has said the system will now power off. Now when I have to press the play button here, and now Kali Linux is loading up again. And now here I'm going to press Kali GNU/Linux. So here I have successfully pressed it. Now here I'm going to type the command, type the username Kali and the password, which is also Kali. And when I press enter here I'm back at my Kali Linux here, and now I can open my terminal. Now knowing this, let's go back to our PowerPoint presentation to learn about our next command. So our next command in this video is the su command. The su command allows you to switch to another user account, typically used to switch to the root user account. So here in my example here, I have written the su command. So what this will do is it will switch to another user, but what user will we switch to is not known, because we have to write sudo su, which is our next command. So let's go to our UTM to test this. So now when I press the command su and I press the command dash, here when I press su dash, it asks the password. When I type Kali, here it will say authentication failure, because there is no. So knowing this, let's go back to our PowerPoint presentation to learn about our next and our final command. So here we have our next command, which is the sudo command. The sudo command allows a permitted user to execute a command as the super user or another user. So here in my example here I have written the command sudo su. So what this will do is it will go to the root user, which is mainly used with the su command, the su command. So the sudo su command will change the user to the root. So now knowing this, let's go to our UTM to test this. So here I'm going to type the command sudo su. Now when I press enter, here sudo will say what is the password for Kali. So here now I'm going to write my password, which is Kali. When I press enter, now I am successfully the root, as I have done a lot, as I have done this a lot in different videos, as because the root is a super user and the root has all permissions to all system files. So that's why we mainly use the root, as because we can control anything with the root user. So now, knowing this, let's go back to our PowerPoint presentation to learn about more. So this is it for today, folks. And if you like this video and you want to support us, please like, share, subscribe to our channel kaviwebdesigns. And I hope I will see you in the next video. This is Bhavik signing off.